Please welcome all the speakers for this session. It will be flagged off by Mr. Ganapathiraman. Thank you.
Thank you once again. My presentation will not be 15 minutes. I'll just cut it down to 5 minutes so that the speakers can get their time. So just before I start anything, I'll just give an overview of ARCRS Group, founded in 1986. Delaware registered corporation focused on AI, digital sustainability, industry, energy and infrastructure resource. ARC Advisory Group has a global presence, US, Canada, UK, Europe, Middle East, Japan, China, Singapore, India and Brazil. It's not moving. Can you move the next slide, please? Research domains, I won't go into that, so you can see we have covered almost all the research active domains and from AI to supply chain logistics. Okay. Next slide, please. Key industries, aerospace, defense, automotive, oil and gas, pulp and paper. We were quite strong in process, supply chain and discrete. And in terms of agenda, I just want to tell that we have sessions breaking after 11:30 in two places. This is the hall Chancery, where we have 4 sessions, including the keynote presentations. The second one is on industrial AI, data fabric and digitalization. The post-lunch session will be industrial AI, smart manufacturing, digital transformation. And the last session of the day will be smart manufacturing and operational performance. Parallelly, from 11:30 in the conclave hall, which is just across the tea counter, we have sessions on AI, industrial sustainability and supply chain logistics, AI in MES and operations. We have a full session on refinery. First time we have 3 speakers from refinery speaking in a session, so it will be great learning for all of us. Then we have the last session today in the conclave on AI, asset reliability and discrete manufacturing. And also, just to refresh you, the last 2 years, MAR has been doing a roadshow post-lunch for about 1.5 hours. So they have told that they are interested to continue that practice. So they have a session for hands-on on OPAS, and this will be at the SMART booth. So in the afternoon, the sessions will get into 3 parts, both Chancery, Conclave, and SMART booth. So that's for the day today. Next. Tomorrow, we have sessions only in this hall. There is no session in conclave. There are 3 sessions. One is on industrial AI, use cases in manufacturing. Then the second one is on software-defined application in AI. And third one is on open process automation. The OPA team led by ExxonMobil and their co-chairs have been very supportive for the last, I must say, 10 years in spreading the awareness on OPAS, and has been supporting us flying down from USA across India in supporting the session. So we hope that that initiative will help the end users and the suppliers to build the technology what the industry needs. I have a few more slides on the agenda. I'm not going into that because you all have the agenda given a hard copy. You also have the Agorify app. So I'll stop my introduction here. Thank you all again. Sharka?